Good morning! Welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting day, right Poor?
I don't know.
So what we're doing today is we're going to go eat some Thai boat noodles. So I'm super excited for that. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this little vlog. Now instead of 12?
That's okay.
Not bad, not bad. It's dead over here. Alright guys, so we made it to the 16 baht phone. Sounds weird to say 16 because it used to be 12. But we're gonna try out this noodle first.
It's gonna be some Thai boat noodles.
Thai boat noodles, and then they have tom yum flavored. They have a bean crude noodles, and then they have dry noodles. So we'll try all four. Do you want to try any of this, babe? Or are we just here for noodles?
Maybe later, but the main objective is to eat some Thai boat.
Okay, so we just ordered a whole bunch of food, and it's gonna be super yummy. I forgot to add some stuff. You don't need to add any more
rice
pepper.
vinegar?
Yeah.
It's already spicy though, huh?
Yeah, it's... Oh my god. My mouth's on fire. So good. Okay, let's see what this tastes like. So good. Go ahead. Now it's your turn.
You need that meatball first.
I think you need some vinegar.
Meatball's good.
Yeah?
It's really spicy.
Dude, I feel like it's only one bite.
But that meatball just filled with like saltiness, black pepper, super tender. But it's pretty flavorful. And let's try the noodles.
That's only one bite, huh? Yeah.
That's pretty good, but it's also pretty spicy. We probably forgot to tell you just make it.
No, I like it spicy. I like it spicy.
Yeah.
Remember that one time you told me it's not spicy? It wasn't good.
Really flavorful, really spicy, but it's also pretty good. All these small bowls. I mean, you can't pass it for like, I think it's basically like 40 cents per bowl. Where's the food done? And once you're done,
Console me.
once you're done, just pour it onto the next one.
That's how you do it?
And then you get more broth and more flavor. But hold on, hold on, do that one. I'm gonna try this one.
What's that?
I don't know. It could be. Let's see. Oh, it might be the brewed bean cured noodles.
Save me a bite.
Or actually, you know what? This is tom yum noodle.
Okay, well, save me a bite.
Okay. That was good thing. That's not too bad. We got some barbecue pork in there, some fish ball, and then it looks like some tortilla chips. And you get some
You mean wonton
bean
strip?
sprouts. Oh yeah, wonton strips, bean sprouts. It's also pretty flavorful. It's not too bad. It's not as spicy as the the type of.
Save me a bite. Save me a bite. Bro.
I'll save you these.
There's no noodles.
There's still a little bit of noodles. At least you get the meat and the meatball and then the...
Just eat it all. Just order me one.
Yes, sure thing.
Jesus.
That fish ball is pretty good. It's actually quite good.
Okay, let me know.
Like, it's not really spicy. Like you just don't really enjoy this bowl of noodle. Let's go for the next one. I'm not sure which one this is. It might be the tom yum. Let's try the broth first. I think that is the one. It's pretty sweet.
No, tom yum's supposed to be sour.
No.
Yeah, what are you
That
eating?
little pinkish thing.
It's probably the
sauce.
bean one.
Yeah, I think this is probably the bean one. Let's try it out. Yeah, this was pretty sweet. It's not too spicy. I believe. I like this one more. I think it's the bean or the tom yum. Honestly, I don't know. Fish ball, still pretty good. You got some more barbecue pork in there and welcome strips. Like I said, I think this one's a lot sweeter than this one, and this one's just like spicy. So I believe these two combo, it basically like breaks even the spiciness and the sweetness. But overall, they're all pretty good. Especially like the meatballs and the meat and everything, it's pretty good. Okay.
Yes. Alright, so I'm eating Forrest leftovers. How come you're saving me a bite for this one but not the other one?
Well, you told me to eat all of it.
Okay. It's really yummy. There's no more noodles.
Saved you the best part. What are you talking about? All the meat. That's where all the flavors in.
I don't know how to describe it. It's pretty spicy.
It's not as spicy as these, the actual type of.
Okay guys, this is my last bowl. I ate 10. I'm pretty sure I ate 10. But it's super yummy. I don't know why, but this one tastes sweet. Okay, you know what? Oh yeah, my lipstick. It's probably all over my face. I'm getting sweaty.
Would you recommend this place?
110%. It's so good. It's worth the BTS ride.
So we got 13 bowls, which is good enough. That's roughly about $5. And super full already, right?
I think last time we ate more than this.
Yeah, we have more than this.
Yeah, we used to be like bigger, I guess.